Center. You want to put it in? Put it in the center. Over there. Good. Pizza! Yay! Oh, let's color it and then let's color it red. Yes? Oh, there. Yay! Pizza! Yay! Thank you! So we're gonna use a crimper here. And then what we're gonna do, we are going to fold it like this in the middle.
What are we gonna fold for?
Hold on. Let's put it that way. And then we're gonna put it there. Hold on. Like this. Hold on. Oh, sige. No, other way. Sige. Yay! See?
It's open.
Wow! You like it?
Yeah. Can I give it
Hold on. Yay! Oh, you want to do it again?
Can I write Miss Galido's
Yeah. Let's finish Miss Jass's first, yes?
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna fold it and then you feed it there. You feed it like this. Yay! Open it.
Ta-da!
Yay! Okay. Oh, mommy's gonna handle it, okay? You help me. No. We're gonna use hot glue, so mommy's gonna handle it, okay? Oh, why don't you use this to push? Oh, here. Oh, let's go. Are you ready?
I don't want to get hurt.
You're not gonna get hurt. Hold on. Let's get this away. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Hold on. Okay, give it to me. Oh, give me another one. Not that one, this one.
Be careful, you might
I'll be
get
careful.
hurt.
I know.
Can I do it myself?
No, not that one. Here. Oh, no. Let's, here. Here. Good job. And not yet. Let's finish it. Okay, come on. No, not yet. Put it here. Oh, last one. Okay, I'll put it there. Let mommy. You want to push it here? So you're not hurt. Okay. Yay! Yay! Oh, last one, last step. Let's put the center. Hold on. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. Oh, let's do the center. Yay! Okay. Oh, let's put the center. Center. You want to put it in? Put it in the center. Over there. Good. Hold on.
It really hurts.
What hurts?
My finger.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's hot. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, use that to push it. Okay, okay, hold on. There you go. Yay! Last one. As in the last step, we're gonna put a string. Well, what would be the top one? I think this is perfect. Okay. Hold on, not yet. Yay! I love it. So pretty. Oh my gosh! You worked hard for it?
Yeah, I made it for you, Miss Jazz.
What did you make?
I make a what's that again?
Ornament? Poinsettia?
I made a poinsettia ornament. It's just for you. I put a lot of names for you.
Can you show it? Wow!
On my house, please, because I want to see you back. Play ice cream puzzles because I like ice cream puzzles. Please. I made you a poinsettia. Please come on my house because I want to see you. I want to really play ice cream puzzles together. Please